Hello guys, this is Susan from Yeezyhotcom. Guys can come share my website and you wear eyes and check out the shoes introduced today. Okay, the shoes introduced is the Air Jordan 11 Low E. Can see it's very clean, the white color and the black color. Can see back and the bottom still good. Next, first we can see the upper. The upper can see the texture is very good, very nice. Can see the materials is the pattern leather. You can see pattern leather. See. Okay, the stitching you can see is very good. So regular. You can see. Okay, the next we can see the shoelace. The shoelace, the color is white. You can see. So clean. Okay, next we can see the sutton. See the sutton. There have a Jordan's logo and some Jordan's logo. In the room can see the sutton. There have a Jordan's logo and some waters. You can see. You can see the inside. The stitching is very nice. The layer have a size label. The size label is 8.5. You can see. And the layer have a Jordan's logo. See. And this pair of shoes is made in China. You can see. Okay. In the second place, we can see the shoes back. You can see. And the layer have a number 23 in the green. You can see. In green, and the layer have a Jordan's logo. You can see 23 and the Jordan's logo. The layer have a stitching. So good. Okay. Next we can see the upper. Bottom. You can see really nice bottom. And very colorful. The black one and the white, and the layer have a Jordan's logo, Jumpman. You can see. So good. And the layer you can see is black one. It is good for running. You can see. So nice. And the next we can see the suspend. There have a size. The main size is 8.5. You can see, and there have a Jumpman. You can see the color is the black. We can see. And the turn is over. Okay. The suspender is very soft. You can see it is very comfortable to wear. You can see. So good. And then you can see the shoes box. You can see, and there have a Jordan's logo. You can see the layer have a box label at the front of the box. You can see this pair of shoes is Air Jordan 11 Low Heeler. You can see, and the size is the official size is 8.5. You can see the official color is the black and white, and this pair of shoes is made in China. Okay, you can see the inside and one newspaper. So good. Review the shoes. If you want to buy this pair of shoes, you can click my website. I will give you the best deal. Review my website, Yeezyhotcom. You can consult my website. Okay. Hope guys alright. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.